Hi, my name is Hope Ebis, and today we want to look at the different sounds letter S can produce. Letter S is a consonant sound and it can produce 4 different sounds. We know that letter S can sound S, however, it can also make other sounds. So, letter S can make the sound S, Z, Ž, and Sh. Words that can produce the S sound, we have basic. So you don't say basic. You don't say my child is in basic 1. No, you say my child is in basic 1. Another example, consume. So you don't say consume, you say consume. The third word, purpose, not purpose. You say purpose. So moving on to letter S sounding Z, we have because. Because. So you don't say because or because. No. Say because. Scissors. Okay, not scissors. 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 So moving on to words with letter S, making the sound Z. We have revision, decision, occasion, and vision. We also have words like television. Television, not television. I don't want to hear you say television after this video. Say it with me. Television. Television. So moving on to the final section for today, letter S words making the sh sound. We have words like pension, pensioner, not pensioner, pensioner, etc. Did you learn anything new in this video? Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and follow me for more. See you soon.